passive learning is not really working. People need to be involved in what's being said, to be interacting, to be participating. So the speakers that can make that happen, that getting discussions going, that pose questions to their audience and actually include what the audience says back into what they're doing, they create a much more dynamic learning experience. And of course, we know that events are more than just about information transfer from one person to another. They're all about getting connections going, building relationships, and those speakers that can help that can create this sense of us all being part of it, of all belonging, of all being part of the community of this great session. They're the ones that really leave this kind of incredible impression on attendees. For this to happen, organisers have got to be strict with what is expected from their contributors. Engage with your contributors, tell them what you're doing, make sure they're on board. You've got to sit them down and you've got to say, we are really determined to make this event something really special from the get-go. We want you to be part of this new kind of event that is educating and entertaining, not boring and exhausting.